If you don't know, you can sell coins on Poppo and make money. Yes, a lot of people, just their work that they do on Poppo is to sell coins. And when I mean sell coins, they will sell coins and even make more money than you that is waiting for just live stream. Right now, this is how much that I've earned here, 108. And you guys know that I always tell you guys that this is my account that I withdraw with my local bank account. If this is not profitable, I don't think I will still be here. In today's video, a lot of people have been asking me, how do I sell coins on Poppo? Where do I buy coins from on Poppo? How do I even elevate my level and every other stuff on Poppo? And I told myself that, okay, I'm going to be doing a full video on how you can sell coins on Poppo. But just know that if you want to sell coins on Poppo, it will be way expensive than when you want to sell coins using another different website. Okay, and I'm going to be sharing a website with you where you are going to buy coins from this website at a very cheaper rate. This website will also give you jar of that coins. Okay, and then you come to this your Poppo angle and then sell. So if you're looking forward to start selling coins and make money exactly the way a lot of people have been making money, then this video is for you. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And this platform that I'm going to be talking about is cocoadp. You guys know that I don't joke with cocoadp. I've talked about cocoadp like on so many videos. I've talked about them because I've seen a lot of reviews coming from my audience, and most of them are coming to thank me and be like, thank you so much. With this cocoadp, I've been able to use this as a side hustle. Making money from here alone is something that is so huge for me. And that is why I'm talking about it. So cocoadp is a platform that sells coins for you very cheap. They're not only selling coins for only Poppo users, they also sell for Bigo, they also sell for Migo, like different. As I'm going to be entering the website, you're also going to be seeing this. Okay, so now what do you need to do? All you need to do is to buy coins at a very cheap level from cocoadp and then sell it on Poppo live stream app. Sell it for Poppo live stream app users and make your gain. Yes, because if they check the rates that Poppo is giving and you decide to offer them a lower rate, they will definitely patronize you. Okay, and to sell these coins is not difficult. All you need to do is to get an agency that is workable. And if you don't have any agency, that is why I always recommend King Richie's agency, and of which I'll be leaving his ID on the screen as well, so that you can join his agency. And all you need to do is to inform him and tell him that, King Richie, I'm selling coins now on Poppo. Please, anybody that wants to buy coins on Poppo, inform me. Now, with all of that being said, let's just go. Let me start my screen record so that you can see exactly what you are supposed to do. Okay, so if you click on the link in the description box, if you click on the link in my comment section, it is going to take you to this particular site, of which I'll be putting my screen record either here or here. Okay, so it is going to take you to this particular site where you're going to be seeing what cocoadp, and this is how cocoadp interface look like. Okay, you can see it here. This is me just reloading it so that you can see, and this is how the interface look like. You can see how much their coins are here, very cheap and affordable. The first thing that you need to do is to do what? Okay, let's go back here so that you can see everything that you need to see one after the other. Okay, so you can see that most of the coins that they are trading on is what? They trade on Bigo Live, Imo, they trade on what? Star Maker, and what? Migo, Poppo Life, and the rest of that. So all of this platform are platform that they sell coins to. Okay, and me and you are going to be focusing on Poppo alone because we want to sell coins for Poppo users, because when I know say as it stands now, Poppo app, it be like very soon go take over TikTok. No be my mouth na here I'm from. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you check this your country. Once you check your country, you're going to choose the country that you are residing. If the country that you're residing is not here, you don't have an issue. All you need to do is check out all of this country. Where is your friend? Okay, for me, I have someone in Kenya, and if you've been watching my Poppo, my cocoadp reviews, I've been talking about this my Kenya friend that is always recharging for me as simple as ABCD. Now, if you don't even want to use your Kenya friend, you can still use VPN and change your location. Okay, yes, you can use VPN and also change your location, and it will be very easy for you as well. But for me, I suggest you use any of your friends that you have in any of this country if cocoadp is not in your country. And After that, you're just going to click on this head side and then log in your Google account. So I'll just go ahead and log in my Google account now so that you can see as well. So if I log in my cocoadp Google account here, it is just going to pop up this interface and it will be showing you that, okay, I am well logged in now. You can see that the D is already there, okay? And now, the next thing for you to do if you want to buy coins now is to go ahead and click on Poppo, okay? So if you click on Poppo, you're going to be seeing this, their Halloween event, and of which I talked about the Halloween event as well. They say happy Halloween, click the picture to join the event and win $20. All you need to do is, if you click the picture, it's going to take you to the Facebook page, and of which I'm also going to be linking it in the comment section or description to make it very, very easy for you. If it take you to Facebook page, you are going to like picture, share, comment, just simple tasks that you're going to be doing, and you stand the chance of winning this $20. And aside this $20, they are also having $5 to share to over 9 users or so. And now you can see that everything, they enter well for you. Now to sell coins, this is what you need to do. If you are in Kenya now, all you need to do now, if I want to buy coins for you, you ask for my ID on Poppo. So if you ask for my ID on Poppo, you're going to input my ID here. I'm going to pay you your money, send you the money, and then you're going to go ahead and buy the coins for me. Are you seeing it? That is very, very easy. These are where a lot of people on Poppo are buying their coins, and they are also selling for you at a higher rate. And at the end of the day, you'll not be saying, oh, where do I buy coins from? How do I even sell coins on Poppo? How are people even doing it? A lot of people will not tell you this, and this is why I am exposing this to you. So if you are in Colombia, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Brazil, you can also sell coins to Poppo user. All you need to do is, I sell coins. Tell your agency, tell your friends, tell your family that are on Poppo. And once anybody need coins, you drop a WhatsApp number, they're going to WhatsApp you. Then you put out their ID here and buy coins for them at the cheapest rate. And then you collect your own gain as well. And for you to be able to buy coins, if you put their ID here, which is the number one step, make sure the UID is very, very correct. You're going to go ahead to click any amount that you want to buy, okay? So if you want to buy for 70,000 coins, you can put 70. If you want to buy 21,000 coins, you can see plus 42 coins. You can see different amounts and some jara that they are giving you. You can go ahead to pick any one. So let's take, for example, I pick this one. It is going to give you the exact amount you are supposed to pay. So for this particular amount now, if we are to pay, we are supposed to pay 13,933 Kenya shillings. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it very well, okay? Kenya shillings. And then if you're not in Kenya, or if you're not in that particular country, you can just do your calculation according to your country currency and then send that money to that your friend and that your sister, and then provide your ID to her, and boom, coins don't enter. Even if you want to be in Nigeria and want to be selling coins, yes, you can be selling coins. All you need to do, tell people that you are selling coins, collect the money. You understand? Once you collect the money, collect their ID number, tell that your brother, tell that your sister that is in Kenya, give them the user ID, let them put the UID there. Once they put the ID there, the coins is going to credit directly to their accounts. You understand? So this thing is not difficult. And after picking anything you want to pick, you go ahead. You're going to see they say fill in your email address, but you can see that your email address will be automatically popped. They say in order for us to provide you with better service, please kindly leave your email address. You understand? And then if you want to use the mobile money that Kenya people are using, or any of the country that you are, let me not be specific on Kenya alone, you can go ahead. You can also go ahead and read all these rules and regulations on how to top up on Poppo live stream. Select the coins, enter the ID, complete the purchase. The coins will be added to your Poppo account shortly. Okay, how to find Poppo live user, log into your account. They just put every details that you need to know for you here, and then all you need to do is to click on buy. It is not difficult. Coins don't come. Coins don't get credited. The only way coins will not be credited to your account is if you're putting in your wrong ID. That is why it is advisable to put in the right ID so that your ID will not be wrong. And at the end of the day, you'll be making $2,000, $3,000, $1,000, $100, $200, $300 on Poppo live stream. I have had one of my friends that will tell me she will never check any other app again. She's selling coins here and she's very, very comfortable, and she's really making money from selling coins to Poppo users. And I hope this video is able to help you. Like I said, check the description box or check the comment. I'll be pinning I'll be pinning the Facebook page where you can participate in that event and win yourself free $20, $5, and thank me later. There is nothing too small as long as I'm concerned. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video has been able to help you, let me know in the comment section. If you've been selling coins using cocoadp and you've seen this cocoadp from my review, also let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.